So now we are going to Euston, and then we're taking a train to Glasgow, and then we're going to Edinburgh. So good thing we got here early. We are at Euston Station. Woo! We have made it on the train. We are walking to Victoria Street. Woo! Woo! Are we in a haunted graveyard? Yes. This is the Scott Monument. I have no idea what it resembles or what it does, but it looks like something out of Stranger Things. And
Why?
It's got weird looking tentacles.
We're live in Edinburgh.
Eyes are watering,
Palms are sweaty.
knees weak, arms are heavy. I got vomit on my sweater mom's spaghetti.
Is that what he says? The old Gothic city of Edinburgh has been the capital of Scotland since 1437. Yay!
I'm taking a video. I just got a print.
So pretty. This is where she got it.
We're at the Edinburgh Castle. Right up here. Taking pics. Putting the tripod away now. We're gonna go make some potion drinks. We're at Potions Tavern in Edinburgh. So you pick one of these potions and then you get to make it. So I think I'm gonna get the liquid gold and Elena's gonna get potion number 9. So this is like based off Harry Potter.
Potion number 9.
Yay!
I'll just grab your spell sheets, guys.
Perfect. Look at this.
Writing her lover's name. Oh, there it is. It's eternal. Your love is eternal. It's pretty good.
Nice. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
So cool. Cheers.
Just woke up on our way to Arthur's Seat.
We are going to hike Arthur's Seat, which is the top of that big mound.
Here we go. Starting our 30-minute hike. Arthur's Seat is an ancient volcano, now a perfect location for hiking. There are a few trails, but the longest is 2 hours to the top and back. We tried to do the shorter one, but got lost somehow. There was a very obvious path that we missed when we first got there, so don't do that. Finally found the right path, we think. It's a little bit uneven. Whew. This is as far as we're getting today. I'm too scared to go up there because I don't want to fall. It's a very steep walk. Julia's already up there, but I'm a little freaked out, so this is as high as we're going. Supposedly she found the legit trail that we were supposed to go on, so who knows when she'll be back. I have an interview in 2 hours. There she is. Tiny little blob waiting for me. Turn around. Right? Queen's Village.
It's just an old town here in Edinburgh.
Julia's getting all the shots.
Vaccine.
What?
We are in Richmond, and this is the pub that was filmed at for 10 minutes.